As February unfolds, gardeners in zones 9 and 10 are presented with an opportune moment to get their hands in the soil and kickstart the gardening season. The mild climates of these zones offer a unique advantage, allowing for a variety of plants to flourish during this time. We'll explore the exciting possibilities for February planting, from vibrant flowers to delectable edibles, ensuring a bountiful and beautiful garden in the warmer months ahead. 1. Floral flourish. Snapdragons, anti-rhinum mages. Snapdragons bring vertical interest and a burst of color to your garden. Sow seeds or transplant seedlings in February, providing well-draining soil and ample sunlight. Calendula officinalis. Known for its vibrant orange and yellow blooms, calendula is not only visually appealing but also attracts beneficial insects. Direct sow seeds or transplant seedlings for an early spring display. Sweet peas, Lathyrus odoratus. For fragrant climbing beauty, consider planting sweet peas. Provide support for these climbers and sow seeds in well-prepared soil. Water consistently to encourage strong root development. 2. Edible delights. Lettuce varieties. Take advantage of the mild weather to grow a variety of lettuces. Options like butterhead, romaine, and red leaf can be directly seeded or transplanted for a fresh and crisp harvest. Radishes, Raphanus sativus. Radishes are quick growers and ideal for February planting. Sow seeds directly in the soil, and within a few weeks, you'll enjoy crisp and peppery radishes. Carrots, Daucus carota. Carrots can be started in February for a late spring or early summer harvest. Choose a well-draining soil, sow seeds, and thin the seedlings as they grow to ensure proper spacing. 3. Herb haven. Cilantro, Coriandrum sativum. Cilantro adds a burst of fresh flavor to culinary creations. Plant seeds directly in the soil or in containers, ensuring they receive ample sunlight and well-drained soil. Chives, Allium squenoprosum. Chives are hardy and versatile. Plant them in well-drained soil or containers and enjoy the mild onion flavor they add to salads, soups, and more. Parsley, Petroselinum crispum. A staple herb in many dishes, parsley can be planted in February for a continuous harvest. Sow seeds in well-draining soil and keep them consistently moist. 4. Tropical treasures. Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Bring a touch of the tropics to your garden with hibiscus. Plant in well-drained soil and provide ample sunlight. Hibiscus blooms in an array of colors, adding vibrancy to your outdoor space. Bougainvillea sp. Known for its colorful bracts, bougainvillea is a sun-loving plant that thrives in warm climates. Plant in well-draining soil and provide support for its climbing habit. Bird of paradise, Strelitzia reginae. For a bold and exotic statement, consider planting bird of paradise. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil and enjoy the striking foliage reminiscent of tropical landscapes. 5. Preparation and tips. Soil preparation. Ensure your soil is well prepared by amending it with organic matter. Good drainage is crucial for the success of many plants, especially in these warmer zones. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch to help retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and suppress weeds. This is particularly important as the weather begins to warm up. Watering. While these zones typically experience milder temperatures, regular and consistent watering is still essential, especially for newly planted seeds and seedlings. Protection from late frosts. Keep an eye on the weather forecast for late frosts. Be prepared to cover tender plants with frost cloth or other protective materials if needed. Companion planting. Consider companion planting to enhance growth and deter pests. For instance, planting marigolds alongside vegetables can help repel certain harmful insects. As February unfolds in zones 9 and 10, the garden beckons with endless possibilities. From vibrant flowers to delectable edibles, this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to cultivate a garden that will flourish in the coming months. Embrace the joy of gardening, experiment with new varieties, and watch as your garden transforms into a haven of color, fragrance, and fresh harvests. Happy gardening!